So today we are going to make this front female flesh figure. This is an important part of the fashion illustration. Everything is dependent on this flesh figure. So it is very important to do it properly. So let us start. We already have this block figure, and on that we have placed this gateway, and we are going to draw our flesh figure on the gateway. Starting from the head, we want our head to be wider. As you can observe, the upper part of the head is wider and the lower is narrower. So let us make roughly a big head and then just join that to the lower part of the rectangle. So here we have got our oval shape or inverted egg shape head. Then joining the neck from head to shoulder, that is easy. For the shoulder curve, what we do is just make small balls rough and then draw the curve on the ball like this. Straight from the beginning, and at the end it should be upward. Then so we have got our shoulder, neck and face. Now coming on to the bust lie below the armpit. So let us make the bust curves first. And then coming up to the waist curve come inside. You can see, and the hip curve comes outward. So this is how we make the hip and the waist curve. Waist inward and hip outward. This is so easy. It is a very smooth curve that is coming here. You can give it in one stroke only. After that, coming on to the knee, let us make the knee joint first and then join the hip curve to the knee slightly outward, and we have to make the same curve with same proportion on both the sides. It shouldn't be like the one leg is very wider and the other is very thin. Then coming on to the calf is bit outward, more outward from the above part, and then comes straight to the ankle joint. You can see the above part is more wider. The curves are more outward here, and till the ankle joint it becomes straight. So calf is done. Then show the ankle point like this, and the last part is to make the heels. So for the heels, we have to draw this kind of V shape inside the box only. Everything is done, only the hands are remaining. Now for the hands, what we have to do is firstly make the joint, that is the elbow joint, give a curve on that, and then join from the shoulder. From the shoulder to elbow, it will come slightly outward, and from the elbow to the wrist, there will be very less curve. We'll doing the same thing on the another hand also. Slight curve from the shoulder to elbow, and then very less curve on both the wrist part. Coming up to the hand and fingers, just draw the thumb first, semicircle kind shape, and then draw like this way. We are doing everything within the squares, within the proportion that we have given in the block figure. We have to just draw our curves around those blocks only. So you can see our figure is almost completed. So let us give the collarbones also for proper detailing. And ta-da! This is very easy. For proper clarification, let me draw it with the black sketch. You should have a good hand at the flesh figure so that you can make the whole figure in one stroke. The curve should be smooth. They shouldn't be like the break pattern in the break pattern, so try to make it smoother. You can see that every part is done around those blocks, the given blocks of the front female figure. And the last collarbone, and ta-da, this is done. The very easy female front flesh figure is done. Try this at home, practice, and just learn. Keep watching. Thank you so much.